Where are you right now? I am at home. I am in the kitchen. What are you doing?
I am sitting at the table. My coffee is on the table too.
Where is your cat?
She is under the table. She always sits under the table.
And your keys? You always lose them.
They are next to the door. I put them next to the door this morning.
What about your bag?
It is on the sofa. I found it behind the sofa yesterday.
Is your sister at home too?
No, she is out. She will be back by 7 o'clock.
Are you coming for dinner?
Yes, I will be there by 6. See you soon.
Where is the meeting room?
It is on the second floor. Take the lift and turn left.
And the printer?
It is between the two desks. You can see it on the desk from here.
Where should I put these documents?
Put them in the folder. The folder is in the drawer.
When does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 o'clock. Please be there before 10.
Where do you usually sit?
I sit near the window. I love sitting near the window.
Is the boss in the office today?
Yes, she is inside her office right now. Please knock before you go in.
Where do you go for lunch?
There is a nice cafe opposite our building. Just walk out of the main door and it is right opposite. Where shall we sit? Let's sit on that bench, the one under the big tree. How far is the cafe from here? It is just across the park. We can walk across the park in 5 minutes. Where did you park your bike? I left it beside the fountain, right beside the fountain. Look at that dog! Where did it come from? It came from behind those trees. It ran out from behind the trees. Where are the children playing? They are playing in front of the playground, right in front of it. Where is the ice cream stand? It is just around the corner. Walk past the fountain and turn right. How do we get out of the park? Walk along this path. The exit is at the end of the path.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where are the jackets? They are on the left, on the right next to the shirts. Oh, I see them. They are between the shirts and the trousers. Could I try this on, please? Where is the fitting room? It is at the back of the shop, through that door. Thank you. Thank you. I will walk through that door now. Excuse me, where do I pay? The cashier is at the front of the shop, near the entrance. Excuse me, is there a cafe inside the shopping center? Yes, it is on the top floor, above the shoe department. And where are the toilets? They are down the corridor, past the lift, on your right.
Good evening. Where would you like to sit?
Can we sit by the window, please?
Of course. Your table is right by the window.
Perfect. Can I put my bag on this chair?
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have on the menu?
Everything is on the menu right in front of you.
Oh, yes! It was right in front of me. Sorry.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can you come back in 5 minutes?
Yes, we do. The card machine is right here.
Perfect. Thank you for a lovely meal. Is there a bus stop near the restaurant?
Yes, there is one just outside the restaurant, across the road. Welcome! Have you been to this gym before?
No, this is my first time here. I just moved to this area.
Let me show you around. The changing rooms are through that door on the right,
Thank you. And where are the lockers?
right next to the changing rooms. The lockers are inside the changing room, along the right wall.
Perfect. And where should I put my water bottle during the workout?
You can keep it beside you on the floor, or put it on the shelf above the treadmill.
Great. Where do I start?
Start with the treadmill. It is in the middle of the room, between the bikes and the weights area.
I can see it. It is right in the middle.
After the treadmill, move over to the weights area. It is at the far end of the gym.
How long should I spend on each machine?
Start with 30 minutes. About 20 minutes on each. There is a clock on the wall above every machine.
Oh, I can see the clock above the treadmill. That is very helpful.
After your workout, there is a water dispenser just outside the changing room.
Perfect. And is there a stretching area?
Yes. The stretching mats are in the corner, next to the window. You will see them at the end of your workout.
Thank you so much. You have been very helpful.
Well done! How do you feel after your first workout?
I feel great. I will be back again tomorrow. Same time, same place. Amazing. You just used 50 English prepositions in real conversations. At home, in the office, in the park, in the shop, at the restaurant, and in the gym. These are the prepositions you need every single day. Practice them and they will feel natural very soon. See you in the next video. Bye!